Alright guys, so I actually got an auto hose crimper that I actually had for about a month or two. Like I said, I didn't buy this specifically for this installation, but I was just lucky to have it. Let me open it up and show you how it actually works and how everything is set up. Alright, let's open this up here. There we go. Alright, so this kit here comes with a pair of gloves, a little quick manual book telling you about all the stuff. Now this is a hose cutter. This cuts real smooth and sleek. I'm going to show you the difference between using a razor blade and one of these, and you can see how much easier it is to use that right there. Here's the crimper itself. Now this is hydraulic. Alright, now this is the lock and release right here. This piece up here, there's a locking pin here. You pull the locking pin out, this opens up like so. Alright, and now these are the dies. So there's different hoses. So basically I have a number 8 and number 10. So this is number 8, number 10. I got to put these in order. They're a little mixed up when they all fell out when they... So let's say we're doing a number 8, right? This kind of goes in. Now I got to try and hold the camera and do this at the same time. And there. So that's all set up, right? And I have to do one more for the top. And now the top is set up. You put your hose through here and your fitting. Once the fitting is lined up, you kind of close this up. You put your locking pin in, and boom, you're done. Now, you want to make sure your valve is locked here. You want to make sure your valve is locked, and then you just pull the lever like this, and it just starts compressing it.
Smooth jazz.
Alright guys, so I made this radio bracket here. Came out pretty good. As you can see, nice and smooth, kind of blends in, looks like it's part of the car. Everything that needs to be wiped down, but overall we are done with this. So let's go ahead and take it for a test drive, make sure the AC is working.
Okay. Daddy talk.
Alright guys, we got it done. We're driving, it's nice and cool. Windows are closed up, it's about 100 degrees outside. And I'm quite comfortable. And that's it. Everything's nice and smooth. The radio's working. The music's coming out of the speakers.
Can I show them the back?
Well, there's nothing in the back.
Like to show them the back, please.
Okay, show them the back, but there's nothing there.
Okay. Can I point it on the side?
Alright guys, that's about it. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this build or any other future builds I got, check out my other videos on the channel.